Alright guys, so episode 6, season 3, Bride's Best Friend. It's fucking cold. I shit you not, it is 2 degrees right now. 2 degrees! 2 degrees! And it's gonna hit, well, yeah, it says 2 degrees feels like -1. And it's gonna, what time is it gonna hit? It's gonna hit -1 at midnight. So it's fucking cold. Hence this. I dressed up nice. I'm in the Lion King t-shirt, and then I've got like a shirt on, but I'm sorry, I'm too fucking cold. I'm too cold. And for those people wondering that see me in this all the time, I do wash it. Oh. So yeah, episode 6. What did we have? So we've got recap for you and me, just so I know that I've got it right. They had their sexy sex, and then they're on vacation because they tried to adopt a boy, but then it fell through, and then someone's being stalker. We're not sure whether it's the solicitor, social worker lady, because she's appeared. Oh, thanks. Yeah, just do that. Thanks. And then so she's appeared, and she's pretty much saying, I want to get in your pants, Fern, and she's Fern's first love ex, blah 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 bullshit. So of course she's being jealous. And being jealous, she's drinking a lot. And then you have the side bullshit of the freewheel bullshit of her cousin is now with her business partner, but she's making eyes at Daniel, and he's getting jealous and shit face as well.
Você já me perturba lá no dia a dia, né? Tu não vai
Yeah,
perturbar agora de férias.
Yeah.
Ser fitness.
Embaixo?
There's the strawberry bitch.
Chega.
E minha?
Qual que você com tudo isso?
Right. There we go. That bullshit was just a recap.
O que tá acontecendo? Só quero beber em paz. Posso?
No, because you becoming an alcoholic.
A Juliana bebe uma garrafa de vinho por dia, arranja confusão e ninguém fala nada.
Só que eu não tô ficando com a Juliana. Eu já falei pra ela o que eu acho disso.
E o que você acha disso?
Eu acho uma grande merda. Um saco, se você quer saber. Eu não saí da minha casa pra ficar aguentando babaquice sua, nem de ninguém. Você me convidou pra essa viagem. Não adianta você ficar me olhando com essa cara como se eu tivesse culpa de você estar achando essa viagem um erro.
Um erro? Quem que disse isso? A gente chegou aqui, eu perguntei se você queria ir embora, você que quis ficar.
Eu queria ficar bem. Eu queria ficar em paz.
Eu só queria ficar com você. Aí você fica mais na cozinha do que eu comigo?
Caio. Não. Não, eu tô com você.
Here comes the kissy. And here comes the one to interrupt.
Vamos pra cima.
Or not.
Ju, agora não.
Denied.
Juliana. Você tava mesmo preparada pra ter um filho? Óbvio que sim.
She still looks a little drunk.
Por que você tá perguntando isso? Foi por causa do que aconteceu com a Paola? Não, eu só tava pensando besteira.
Pensando no quê?
Que às vezes a gente acha que quer uma coisa, mas na verdade a gente quer outra.
Eu quis tanto quanto você.
Você tá certa, foi besteira. Pensei assim.
Eu só não entendi por que você tá pensando isso agora. Isso é difícil.
Por favor, vou pensar.
Já pensei.
Fuck off, mate. I'm having a cuddle with my wife. Leave me alone.
O que você quer agora, Paola?
Eu quero conversar com você.
Oh, fuck off, bitch.
Tem que ter muita coragem pra vir aqui essa hora, né?
Tá tudo bem. Eu conto ou você conta? Juliana, eu consegui um horário com um advogado muito bom. Só que eu consegui pra agora. Vamos?
Eu não posso. Eu tenho compromisso com a Lucy.
Que compromisso, Juliana?
Ela me pediu umas coisas, uma coisa pessoal. E eu não posso furar com ela.
Ju, por favor.
Mas, ó, vão vocês. E depois vocês me contam.
Yeah, suspicious.
Que eu marque pra amanhã?
Suspicious.
Não, não,
Eu posso
não.
marcar até o fim de semana.
Não,
Pode
imagina.
ser?
Suspicious. And this whole thing's very fucking weird. Like, no, you didn't agree to anything. Paula's just doing her own thing just so she can get bummy with Fern. And Julia's like suddenly okay with that, even though she's been drinking. Yeah, nah, not falling for this shit. What's up? Something's happening.
Isso, uma coisa importante dessas. Eu sugiro que vão vocês duas. E depois você me fala tudo.
Mas eu queria que você fosse.
Você não-
I want you to stop me from murdering this
Vai, depois
bitch.
eu-
Okay, yeah, no, yeah. We know what she's done there.
Eu te espero aqui.
Trying to make her jealous.
Você aceita um café, um suco, uma água?
Não, obrigada. Eu só quero ir embora logo.
Que bom.
Vai botar creme de leite nos ovos?
Essa pergunta tem duplo sentido.
Até tinha, mas perdi a vontade.
Que coisa mais gostosa do que ovo, creme de leite e requeijão?
Don't know. I've never had that. That sounds disgusting.
Ué? Achei que tivesse mais requeijão aqui. Vou ter que comprar mais, hein? Deixa eu ver se tem uma coisa que eu vou substituir rapidinho. Achei.
Eu acho que não vai precisar mais, não.
Porra! Tu não falou que tava queimando? Que?
Doeu quando queimaram seus ovos?
O que tá rolando aqui, gente? Tudo queimado. Puta merda.
Nossa, chefe. Chegou ele pra ver que um ovo queimou.
Tem que ter um talento pra queimar ovos também, sabe?
É.
Pelo menos um de nós aqui sabe o que tá fazendo.
Que?
Valeu, chefe.
Yeah, don't put it on the hot stove. And those eggs do not look bad to me. They look perfectly fine. Yes, darling. Well, make your mind up.
Não tem advogado, né?
Não tem.
Isso é ridículo. Até mesmo pra você.
A gente precisa conversar direito.
Sobre o quê?
Eu queria provar um ponto.
Can you not?
ponto. Eu sabia que a Viviana não viria. E eu ainda insisti.
What are you doing? I don't need a wash, thank you very much. Come on. She's being annoying because they think it's dinner time because I'm home. But their dinner time is extremely late because when I finish work, they get their dinner then. But no, because I'm here, they think they can bully me with their cute meowing and their annoyingness to
Você viu?
make me feed them earlier.
Eu chamei, falei que eu remarcaria. Nem assim ela quis. Ela tinha um compromisso, Paula. Um compromisso mais importante que o filho de vocês. Sério. É como eu disse, ela nunca quis o Vitor. Nem a documentação
She's
certa.
playing the game very well.
Isso não faz sentido. Faz sim. Eles eram tão perfeitos juntos.
Don't, no. Sorry, I don't know what I just did then. I'm having a stroke. No. Don't kiss the bitch. Whatever. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Ou até mesmo no casamento. Por favor, não me odeie por tentar te dizer a verdade.
Someone's fucking annoyed. Anyway, her not going to the appointment was a test. It was a test to see if you do what you're fucking doing now. Because she thinks you're cheating. Got a bit too heavy on the eyeshadow there. Just try not getting any sleep, you'd look like me.
Eu sabia! Idiota! Idiota!
What? Okay. So yeah, she didn't go to the appointment as a test to see if her partner would then do whatever the fuck up she's doing, which is nothing. But look at that! Look at that! Look, you've got fucking Thomas there. So, oh, that's in season 4. Ah, okay. Yeah. So, that was a bit weird. That was a weird one. Just spreading drama for the sake of spreading drama. Yeah, that was a bit. Yeah, I don't know what to think of that one. That was a bit. And what? 2 episodes left of the season. So you've got to have this big fucking something happen, and then the. So you gotta have the big drama and then the nice ending. I'm assuming, or they're gonna leave it on a cliffhanger. Because season 2 they left it at a nice ending. Season 1 they left it at a nice ending. I don't know what they're gonna do. I don't know what they're gonna do. So have you guys watched this? Are you gonna watch it? You've been watching it, you know. I don't know. I don't know what to think of this series. It's had its moments where it's been good, and then it's had its moments where I'm like, this is a bit shit. And, you know, but I have to say, it has been progressing. The quality's been progressing, the script's been progressing, the camera angle, and, you know, everyone. It has been progressing in the right direction. It's not been going... So... I have to say one thing. It is always very interesting to watch people's earlier work. To watch what they are now to what they were, and how they've learned, and how they've experienced stuff, and how they've, you know, it was odd. I had a comment on one of my videos. I don't get comments very often, so I read them all. So I had this bit of a comment on one of the previous episodes I reacted to, and they were saying, it's something like, we don't want to see the old content, we don't want to see this, and we want to see more seasons of Stupid Wife and all this, blah, blah, blah. It's like, we're not going to get any more seasons of Stupid Wife, we're going to get 3, and that's it. We they might have already recorded a wedding special. I don't think they have. I think they're going to implement that into the season 3. So we're not going to get any more Stupid Wife. It's just not going to happen. That ship has been done and sailed, which is sad, but it's reality. If they kept on doing it, it would lose its charm and it would lose its magic. You have to have this point where you're like, right, it is what it is. You can't just keep, you know, it's like any show that goes on way too fucking long. You think, right, this is shit now. So 3 seasons is what they planned and is what they're doing. I think doing the extra bits like the Christmas, the college, I don't think they were ever planned. But they needed that intermediary thing to keep people hooked into it. So, just like, no one wants to see the old content and all this. And I'm just thinking, yeah, but we wouldn't have gotten to Stupid Wife and where we are today without the old content. You know, this, Natalie Rodriguez and Pugliese did not come out of thin air. They had to have built this foundation and this base and progressively get better and more confident and more happy in their art in order to then get to Stupid Wife. They wouldn't have got to Stupid Wife unless they had the confidence to do it, the knowledge to do it, and the willpower to do it. You don't just get all that shit out of thin air. That comes from experience. And these shows that they started on, and these shows that they've made from their own blood and sweat. So, I enjoy watching old content because it shows the progression, and it shows... I like seeing the technical aspects as well, how things are made and how things are progressed and stuff. I swear there's probably behind the scenes bullshit for this as well. I need to look into that, because if it's not subtitled, I don't know if we'll want to. But you know, it's nice to see how this is made and how they've learned and built their craft. It's like watching any earlier stuff of Reese and Bjar. Some of their earlier stuff, you just that's a little cringe. But then you watch the more the stuff content that you can get access and watch, how they progress and how they've learned, and you know, because it's consistency. The more constant you are at something, the more experience you get, and the more better you get at doing what you love to do. So, I'm still going to keep watching the old content because I enjoy it. Well, I have been enjoying it. If it turns shit, then that's another matter altogether. If it turns shit, I'm not watching it. Unless it's just to torture myself. So, yeah. Sorry, I waffled a bit there, and that was like really random waffle. It's not even late. I'm yawning because I always yawn in these. I can't help it. I'm sorry. Right then, I shall see you fuckers for the next episode.